How to fix lines on iPhone screen. Let's get started. First, restart your device. Press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After it appears, you can release it. First, restarting might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is update iOS. So close this and launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option General. Click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next up, check Display Zoom or Accessibility settings. For that, hit Back. Navigate to the option Accessibility. Head over to the option Display and Text Size. Turn off any unusual filters or zooms. Likewise, check for physical damage. If the phone was dropped recently, the lines could be hardware damage, like a loose display connector or cracked screen beneath the glass. Look for signs of impact. Then what you will need to do is visit Apple authorized store, run an Apple diagnostic test, or book a Genius Bar appointment. It could be a faulty display panel, logic board, or touch IC issue. And that's it. These are some fixes for lines on iPhone screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.